moment I stretch my legs, I start snoring. What else you want? Param Bhagavadiya Punya Shlok Paramatma Sarup, most revered and respected. Our Charodi Gurukul, Swamiji Maharaj. Madhapriya Swamiji, महाराज તમારા બે હાથ મારે માથે મૂકો ને કે આ ત્રણેય મને આવે કે મેં કીધું હું માથે બેસું તોય નહીં આવે. What's required? Swalpamapyasya dharmasya trayate mahato bhayat. The Gita said so. Neha bhikramanasosti pratyavaya na vidyate. Whatever I am sharing with you, there is no clash, there is no dvesha, there is no raga there, there is no harmony, there is no any harm. What will happen? Swalpam api dharmasya. Whatever I am sharing with you, even little if you practice. A very fat man came one day in our ashram. He was very idly walking like this. I asked him, Bubeso, સોફામાં ન બેસી શકાય, થોડું ઊંચું આસન જોઈએ. So we brought a big chair, બે ઓસિકા. બોલો શું સેવા કરીએ? I have to go to America. But you see, I am like this. Teach me some quick yoga, capsule yoga. મેં કીધું આમ કરતા ભાવે? હવે ગળું ને નાક બધું ભેગું થઈ ગયેલું. એટલે પછી કેબિનેટ જેવું કરે, આખું કેબિનેટ ફરે. Do this much. How many times in the morning or evening I told, whenever your wife, your daughter-in-law, your daughter, anyone ask you, જમવા ચાલો, ત્યારે do like this. I don't eat ghee, Swamiji. I don't take oil. હું તો તળ્યું ને ગળ્યું ખાતો નથી, પણ આખો દિવસ ભૂંડ જેવું ખાયા કરે, એનું શું થાય છે? યુક્તાહાર વિહારસ્ય. Even dharma artha kama mokshanam arogyam mulla uttamam. Even Raghuvanshan said so. Sharira madhyam khalu dharma sadhanam. Any walk of your life, anything you want to do, your physical frame is the first and last instrument. You have to keep it fit. In the Hermann Hesse, the Siddhartha, a beautiful book, there is a very beautiful anecdote is there. That the Buddha is in a dilemma, I don't know what to do, whether I should eat or not to eat. Because he was starving and starving, he became a skeleton. Someone said, you can't do like this, eat something. So he went for a bhiksha, and someone gave a stale food, like a poison. He started purging. He was helpless. He was in dilemma. I should eat or not. At that time, the scavengers were passing from there. One girl was singing a song, and one gentleman was playing some kind of a violin. And then the girl said, so, hey you, guy, tune up your wire. Don't keep them loose. They will be out of a tune. Don't make it strong. They may break. Middle mark is yoga. That is what you have to live. The physical frame, the body should be in tune. Now, this body has got 6 systems. First is a respiratory. Second is a circulatory. Third is a alimentary. Fourth is a genitourinary. Fifth is a locomotor. And the 6th is a nervous system which is running along with the vertebral column. When the baby is born, the first need is not the mom nor the dad, but the breath. So very essentially, we must know how to breathe and how much time we breathe. We breathe, batha bolo, baithat bara. Repeat, baithat bara. Because yesterday when Mataji's talk was over, a number of people, they घेराउड me. Swamiji, आप हिंदी में बोलो, गुजराती में बोलो ना, everything going in English. I say, yes, I will take in between बोलेंगे. To make them happy also I have to speak. So बोलो, बैठत 12, चले 18, दौड़े में 20, काम क्रोध में चले 72, कहते हैं दास घसीटा. बैठत 12. Breathing, if you are sitting normally, then 12 times you breathe in and out. बैठत 12, चले 18. When you walk, starting 18 times. Then comes Dode mein bisa 40 times. When you lose a patient, you are in a victim. You become a racket of a anger or a lust. What will happen? 72 times. You don't know what's happening in your mind. Sangha sanjayate kamaha. Kamat krodho bijayate. Krodhat bhavati sammoha. Sammoha smriti vibhramaha. Smriti vibhramshat buddhinasha. Buddhinashat pranasyati. A wrong company will lead you to the wrong desire. And wrong desire will lead you, when it is not been fulfilled, you will lose a temper. When you lose a temper, you lose a discrimination. You don't know what you speak, what you do. And then you ruin your own self. Yoga is a balance and harmony. So the body, first thing is to breathing is very essential. When we breathe, friend, normally a normal person breathes in 1 minute 15 times. It means each breath is of 4 seconds. 4 seconds we breathe in, breathe out. We are not breathing. Is a automatic, it comes and goes. When it stops only or makes irregularity, then only doctor, then only you know that you are breathing. Otherwise you don't know. It keeps on coming. So now you understand that you must breathe when you must know that you are breathing. If you know and you breathe, that will make a wonderful thing. You must know, I am breathing in. Sit straight and every day find a time to breathe as slow as possible. When you breathe in, blot on your tummy. When you breathe out, bring your tummy down. If possible, sit like this. Why? What will? Gentlemen, stand up. Jump and come up. Quickly. Quickly come. Quickly. Stand up, stand up. Quick, young man. Face to them. Now keep your hand upon your heart. You are sure heart is there? Keep. You have not lended your heart to someone. So, heart is here. Now friends, in case we stand like this, our police people and Jain sadhujis, sadhvijis, they have to walk a lot. So circulation of blood goes down. A 5-story, 6-story, 10-story building is there. Who gets more water? Ground level or the top level? So when we stand like this, now sit down here, put your legs down. Sit on the top. Sit down here. Yes, sit comfortably. That's all. Now he's sitting, how you are all sitting like this? How many of you realize that when you are traveling a lot, in a flight also 8 hours, 10 hours, or otherwise going to Dwarka in bus like this, pagma sojo ave che? When you sit like this also, blood goes down. Thank you, sir. And when you lie down, matha niche be takiya che, again head is up, heart is down, legs are down. So cultivate habit to sit like this. If you cultivate habit of the crossing the legs and sit like this. In a flight, this counter girl who is supposed to give me a boarding card, say, Maharaj, you want a wall or you want a window? I say, Ma, jahan hoy tyan de, પણ મારી બાજુની ખુરશી ખાલી રાખજે. Why? હું પલાઠી વાળીને બેસું એટલા માટે. In the car, I prefer to sit in the back. Why? I can cross my legs. Cultivate a habit to cross like it. What will happen? Circulation of blood will come to the internal viscera, the abdomen, to your liver, your kidney, your pancreas, your intestine, your bladder, your spleen, your adrenal. આજ સાંજથી ચાલુ કરો. રસોડામાં બેસીને પલાઠી વાળીને જમો. That will make you. ગરમ રોટલી મળશે અને ઘરવાળા શું ખાય છે તે ખબર પડી જશે. મહારાજ મારાથી પલાઠી નથી વળાતી, તો એક બાજોટ પર બેસો, નાની સામે ટેબલ રાખો, but cultivate a habit of crossing the legs. Start this. Dr. James S. Gordon, the director of the Institute of Mind, Body and Medicine, has taught this method of breathing. Breathe in as slow as possible. Breathe out as slow as possible. With all awareness, when you breathe in, blot on your tummy. When you breathe out, bring your tummy down. Simple thing. Or my trustee is here, respected Arun Bhai Oja. 6 years he was a public prosecutor. He is a wonderful soul. He said, Swamiji, અમારે ગુજરાતમાં એવું જ હોય. શું? બોલો, સારું, સસ્તું, નમતું, ને ઉધાર. Dr. James S. Gordon, the director of the Institute of Mind, Body and Medicine, has taught this method of breathing to all patients by sitting in front of them. He teaches it to the school-going children and the serious elderly cancer patients also. He explains it. He humbly requests to practice it with all faith and confidence. He explains it to the professional doctors in arranged classes or workshop, and he has also taught it to the depressed and shelterless people of the Kosovo during the war. Dr. Gordon teaches yoga abhyasa for the last 2 decades, my student. He tells his doctors precisely to clean themselves from hopelessness. Yoga abhyasa is the only way to live the stressless and hopeful life. He says that it is easiest, surest, safest, cheapest, quickest remedy. Dr. Gordon's honest effort for a stressless long life with a good health have benefited doctors of psychiatry and their patients. Because you are accustomed to get anything comes from America. Yes. Professor Dr. Andrew Rowell, the director of the program in Integrative Medicine and Clinical Society at Arizona University. How you all are sitting here, like whenever I am there in a Tucson, I see not a single Indian, all white people. And my books, my cassettes and DVDs, they are sold not less than $1,000, sometime more also. It's not my business, it's not my profession. It is only that what we can do good to the people. Our DVDs are there. As a yoga teacher comes to home, we give only 150 rupees, only 2 DVDs. Very well shoot it out by an expert professional people. Because it's not my business. Otherwise this book, તમારું આ બાઇન્ડિંગ છે તમને તો 100 રૂપિયામાં મળશે કાગળનું વજન કરીને. Why? Because my master always said, do the best what you can do to the society. Give. He said, spend. He will send. That's all. Always try to be liberal in giving. Professor Dr. Andrew Rowell, the director of the program in Integrative Medicine and Clinical Society at Arizona University at Tucson, teaches students this method of breathing. He says only the practice of pranayama has a wonderful effect on the various disease and miraculous benefits are achieved. The patients suffering from a low blood pressure, chronic dysentery, people having uneasiness, want peace, patience, living on the support of medicines to get freedom from stress, etc., all become an honor of a healthy, harmonious life without medicines. By the practice of pranayama, patients of insomnia enjoys deep sleep and their physical capacity increases greatly. Why I am so much keen in particular to bring this? Now let us come to home. Most worshipful and respected gem of our Ahmedabad city and a great treasure of India, Dr. Tejas Patel, cardiologist. He is practicing Surya Namaskara 56 times every day. And he said, so Swamiji, I get so much of energy. We are good friends. Swamiji, I get so much of energy. I feel, haju thodu kaam kariye. And he is a cheerful. He never irritates. He never agitates. He never disturbs. Never perturbed. Who said so that yoga asana practice is a circus? Your mind is circus. No. Remember, here the preface of this book, Yoga, A Way of Life. It is a great privilege to write the foreword for Swami Adhyatmanandaji's Yoga, A Way of Life. I have pored over the pages word by word, and I am convinced that this is the encyclopedia on the subject in a very approachable format. What else you want, sir? You see, this is the fourth book. But the first book in Gujarati, Yoga and Arogya, available in English, in Hindi, in Chinese, in Russian. That book is in a part of a Illinois University, those who are doing their graduation, post-graduation in Yogasanas. And Gujarati is going to 19th edition. Why I am telling to you, yoga's little practice also can help you to keep physical fit. ખાનગી વાતો જાહેરમાં નહીં કહેવી જોઈએ. 158th birthday was celebrated in a Mahatma Mandir, the respected and revered late Shri Abdul Kalam Sahib came. Our respected CM the then, Narendra Bhai Modi ji also was there. I was asked to speak there. First me, then Narendra Bhai, and then Abdul Kalam Sahib. When I was going up, there were the three mothers, teen murtiyan, Anandiben, Vasuben, and Meenakshiben. સ્વામીજી, અમે તમને 20 વર્ષથી જોઈએ છે. તમારા ચહેરામાં કંઈ કરચલી પડી નથી. તો તમે ત્યાં જઈને કોને તમે શું કરો છો? હું જેવો છું તેવો જ છું ભાઈ. જ્યારે રડવાનું હોય ત્યારે પણ હસું છું. અને બળતી ચિત્તાના પર બેસીને પણ આનંદ મજા લઉં છું ને સિતાર વગાડું છું. That's all. Little, be regular to stay with the self. What is self? Slowly and gradually the respiratory system will lead you to keep your mind calm and quiet. Practice of respiratory, because sharir from the body, when you sit straight, initially 20 minutes, slowly make it 3 hours. Slowly. What will happen? When you still your body, then you will still your mind. Now, first, when you still your body, you will control your breath. When you control your breath, you control your senses. When you control your senses, you control your intellectual. First mind, then intellectual. Then yaha buddhi parasastu sa. So control a body. You will control your breath. When you control your breath, you will control your senses. Control your senses, control your mind. Control the mind, control the intellect. It's a vice versa. It is not a miracle. It's a science. Second is a circulatory system. Blood moving from heart when blood goes and come back. How many seconds? Chick, 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 it comes back. It should move. For yoga is not merely a physical exercise. You must know what to eat and what not to eat. Pasta, pizza, noodles, Maggi, samosa, bajarna bhajia, and thanda pinawa. Not me. WHO said so. Vegetarian people, when they eat their food, rotli dal bhat shak, or Gujarati food is just balanced, only khand kaadi nakho to. Just balanced food. You can digest it within the 5 hours. But the non-veg, it takes 24 hours to digest. Siih che, vag che, they eat a 1 meal. We eat 3 meal minimum. Breakfast, lunch, dinner. Ratre pan glass milk, a glass full of milk. So what we eat, a vegetarian food, shakahari, you keep yourself healthy. But in Masahari, there are more system of having a more cholesterol and more knee pain, more backache, and more chronic colitis, and more anger. But when you are eating all this preparation of the Mendani Banawat, you know, WHO said so, it starts digesting after 24 hours. After 24 hours is not starting the system, because maximum problem is to anyone is to a liver. Anything you put on your tongue, the liver has to be alert. Such hai. Because our habit is not to eat straight. Our habit is a undhiyu. We eat one straight vegetable is a vegetable. But a different vegetable to digest, there is a different system. You can't cook magni dal chadeli જેટલી વારમાં ભાજી બફાઈ જાય એટલી વારની અંદર અડદની દાળ બફાતી નથી. It's a state matter છે. In all such condition, when you mix up everything, liver has to be alert. So, respiratory, circulatory, alimentary. When you eat this pizza, pasta, what will happen, you don't know. The young kids, when you especially keep on giving to the girls, their menstruation period will be irregulated, painful, stressful, prolonged. Medical, you keep on giving medical aid is okay, but later on, when they are in menopause also, they are in a problem. Maybe a boy or a girl, when the kids, they keep on giving, કોઈના છોકરાને મારી નાખો એને પ્રેમથી સવાર બપોરે સાંજે એને પાસ્તા પીઝા સમોસા ને કોકાકોલા આપી દો. 6 મહિનામાં લિવરમાં એબ્સેસ થઈ જશે. Then the people telephone to me from different places, Swamiji. This evening when I was coming here, Ratna Goswami from Calcutta, Swamiji, বাবু কি খুব কষ্ট, আমি বুঝতে পারছি না যে কি করি, আমার মন, বাবুকে এখানে পাঠাও, নেপালে আছে. You see, you are the cause, you are the problem, you are the solution. Solution is not outside, it's all up to you. What you eat, so is your mind. જેવું અન્ન તેવું મન. So eat what you're supposed to eat. ઘરના રોટલા દાળ ભાત શાક ખાઓ ને યાર. બીજા ખાવો હોય તો મોટો રોટલો બનાવો, એના ઉપર લસણની, કાંદાની, આદુ, મરચાં, મીઠું, ધાણા જીરાનું ચટણી લગાડ, એના ઉપર રીંગણ બટાકા ટમેટાનું શાક પાથર, અને એના ઉપર ખાચું કરીને છરીથી કાપીને ખાઓ. વાંધો શું છે? This is what. And then what you eat has got an effect upon to go to toilet. Sage mala vriddhi. How much green fodder, palak, methi, tandal jo, suwani bhaji, how much you can put in your dalba nakhine khao, shakma nakhine khao, sage, then you clear. You see, morning you have your breakfast. No, morning Swamiji tea and a બે થેપલા toast. Then 8 વાગે breakfast. Then 10 વાગે છાસ. Then 1 વાગે lunch. Then 3 વાગે 2 સમોસા. Then 5 વાગે નાસ્તો. Then 8 વાગે dinner. Then રાતે સોડા પીને પાન ખાઈને આવીએ. તમારું પેટ છે ને ઈસકોતરો છે. महाराज मेरे को बहुत गैस होती है. एटम बॉम्ब क्यों नहीं फूटता है? આ કચરા પેટી છે, આખો દિવસ નાક કરે છે. You check yourself. मनैव मनुष्याणां कारणं बंध मोक्षयोः उद्धरेद आत्मनात्मानम् आत्मानम् अवसादयेत् आत्मैव आत्मना बंधु आत्मवृतुरात्मना. You are your friend, you are your enemy. You have to check yourself. This is a yoga way of living a life. This isn't a health way of living a life. You want to have a health, yoga for health, yoga for well-being. This is what is yoga for health and well-being. Very essential. Because what you eat, it will have impact and effect upon your bowel movements. સવારે ઉઠતાની સાથે ઝાડો આવવો જોઈએ. ઝાડો બ્રાઉન રંગનો જોઈએ. લાંબો જોઈએ ને તરવો જોઈએ તો સાચું. કારણ કે એ પચ્યું છે એટલે તરે છે ને ડૂબી જાય તો કંઈ ગડબડ છે. You must know what to eat, how to eat, when to eat, where to eat. It's a part of a yoga system. Then comes a locomotor. इनको बोलने से तकलीफ हो जाएगा. आनंद दौड़तो आवजे, क्विकली आओ. आनंद आतो रहे. इमरान आप भी आओ. ऊपर आवतो रहे. બેસો અહીંયા ઝાડે પરવા બેસો. बैठ जाओ, बैठ जाओ. ऐसा बैठ, ऐसा बैठ. सोहम दौड़ के आओ. एड़ी नीचे लगाड़. दौड़ो, रन रन करो, रन. कल्टिवेट हैबिट टू सिट लाइक दिस. इधर इधर બેલેન્સ કરો. જમવાનું ખુરશીમાં, ઝાડે ફરવાનું ખુરશીમાં, મરી જાશો ખુરશીમાં. If you again go back to this system, you will never have an indigestion. Thank you, sir. You will never have indigestion. Indigestion makes a gas formation. Gas formation makes a constipation. Constipation makes a bleeding piles. Constipation creates a knee pain. Constipation creates a back ache. Constipation creates eye burning. And chronic constipation makes a chronic